Good afternoon, everyone, and Shabbat Shalom to you all out there. Wow, I'm in the south of Israel and I'm schwitzing. This is actually wet and it's a wonderful way to stay cool. I want to talk about how important it is to follow the Lord, and it literally is step by step. Step by step. We don't want to miss one step. And if you haven't yielded and obeyed the Lord in the last step, He's not going to give the next step. Every step is so critically important because you never know where it goes. And all He's asking is that we take the next step, that we're obedient to Him, we follow, and surely it will be a blessing to our lives. Food for thought, really important, because He doesn't lay out our whole life. He simply says, will you follow me step by step by step? And as we do that, our lives will unfold beautifully in Him. It's not to say it will be easy. We know that if we've got a call on our lives, it will not be easy. But that's not why we were created. We were created to be with God, to worship God, to love Him, to adore Him, to revere Him, to have a holy fear of Adonai, to enjoy His presence. And I often refer to what He asked me about a year ago, is my presence not enough? His presence changes everything. Let's yield to His presence. Let's learn how to rest. I'm on retreat, learning how to rest. So important. God moves powerfully through the rest. We rest, and out of that comes new life, inspiration, the unction of the Holy Spirit, clarity, focus, direction. It's challenging, but we need to learn how to rest in Him. Psalm 116:7, soul, return to your rest. God bless you from the south of Israel, the Mediterranean Sea.